welcome to or back to my channel. My name is Aubrey if you're new here. Today I did a huge glow up. This is the final look. I did face mask, hair mask, foot mask, eye mask, lip mask, tanning, shaving, waxing, DIY eyelash extensions, DIY waxing, my whole beauty routine when I want to get myself ready for the week and feel extra pampered. Today is my anniversary, so I wanted to feel a little extra something, you know, so that's what I did. If you want to see how I got from this to this, then please keep on watching. Hello guys. So today is me and Dan's 7-year anniversary. We've been together 7 years, so we have been together for 7 years, which is a long time. And normally I look like this, but today I'm going to glow up. It's going to be an anniversary glow up video. I want to do my whole beauty routine because my hair is dirty. My dog is humping in the living room. Okay, anyway, my hair is dirty, my face is gross, I'm pale. My nails are done, so that's the one thing I can't show you because I just did a regular nail polish. I normally do a whole nail routine, but honestly, if I did the whole nail routine, it would take the whole video because I do tips, hard gel, the whole 9 yards. I am a nail technician. Not really, but kind of. So I just painted my nails, but I'm gonna do the whole rest of it. So we're gonna start off with fake tan, my favorite. So I do have, I've been using this. This is a natural self tan, which is nice. It's from Beauty by Earth. I got it on Amazon, and it's a nice tanning lotion, but I kind of want to be just a little bit darker. So I'm going to use this in medium. I usually use a darker color, but medium is all I got. So medium is what we're going to be. So I'm going to put this on. Here's the mitt that I use. I'm not going to show you, but this is before. Mitt. Alright, I'm all tanned up. Like I said, I used the 2-hour loving tan with my mitt. You just rub in circles. And I rubbed over my hands. I'm going to put lotion on my hands now. I'll probably wash my hands in like 30 minutes, and that is a good color for me. I also have been I used Tan Luxe the face on my face last night, so it has some good color. I don't feel like I need to do my face. And I'm gonna leave this for 2 hours. So here's right after. All right, while I am letting this tan marinate, wow, I need to wash my hands, they look dark. Circles, they always get really dark. While I'm letting this tan marinate, I thought I would do a hair mask before I shower. I have some fake blonde going on, so it tends to turn a little orangey. So sometimes I like to use this hair mask. It's the Verb Purple Mask. Honestly, I'd say it's not as good as just like the Shining Lights purple shampoo. That's like really strong and works well, but this isn't horrible. I saw on TikTok that you should use this on dry hair, which it says you should use it on wet hair, but I'm gonna do it on dry hair because, you know, TikTok. So it looks like this. Probably gonna need to get them out. Ow, I just poked my ear. Okay. The Shimmering Lights shampoo literally stains your hands purple. Like, that's how good it is. But I ran out of it, so I'm trying to use all this stuff up. I also don't have my glasses on, so I can't see what I'm doing. We want to be bright and blonde. Really get those front pieces. Those money shots. All right. That's good for that side, I think. I'm ripping out so much hair. Okay, going bald. I get the whole dry hair thing because they say that whatever your hair soaks up first is, you know, what it takes in. So that's why I like to do, before I get in the shower, I do like a pre-oil wash, because then it soaks up the oil instead of like the hard tap water from the shower. Same thing with like if you have dyed hair and you go in a pool, it soaks up the chlorine first. So if you get your hair wet first, That helps. We don't want any green hair. Fake blondes gotta, you know, work hard. I think that's good. Gonna let that baby soak till I get in the shower. And now it's time for a face mask. So I'm gonna use this face masks, which is one of my favorites because it's one of the only ones that I've ever seen like immediate results. When I say this face mask removes your face, like will give you a new face, I mean it. And I leave face masks on for like, it says 20 minutes, make it an hour. But this, you can only leave on for 3 minutes, like no joke. Do not do it, it will burn your face off. But it's the Goop Exfoliating Instant Facial. It's all natural and it's intense. But when you need an exfoliation, this is the one to go to. It's expensive, but it lasts you a good amount of time. Leave it on for 3 minutes max. And then you wash it off, and it has a little bit of a physical exfoliant as well, but this is like a chemical exfoliant. It feels like you're getting a chemical peel. Okay, but after this one, I'm gonna do a moisturizing mask because it really like takes your face away. My girl Gwyneth is not joking with this thing. All right, I'm gonna go right in with this Dr. Jart sheet mask, facial barrier mask. She feels tick. Tick, tick, tick. The chin hole never fits. Anybody else get that vibe? All right. While I look crazy, I am going to do a little at-home laser. But since I'm freshly shaved, I'm not consistent with it enough to know if it's totally worth it. I did used to go to Sev here in the city and do laser. That was before, you know, COVID started, so I haven't gone back in a while. That was definitely more effective than this, but also I was more consistent with that. So TBD if this is worth it. Honestly, I kind of think they're a scam, but we're gonna try it out. I only do my legs because I wax my armpits, but it looks like this. You press this little button, put it up to 3, take this thing out, press it, and there's like a little fan, and then you just continuously do it up your leg. Nail lotion. All right, this is Dunskies. Rub in the excess is what they always say. All right, I'm also gonna do a foot mask because we are just masking it up here. And we're gonna do a lip mask because you can't really like move while the foot mask is going on. So, all right, I'll do this first. All right, got the booties. So cool, so cool, so cool. Ooh, Elsa. And then you go like this. Boom. And lip mask. This one's got a little mouth hole. How nice. Okay, time to get up close and personal. So I started waxing my pits at home like during the first quarantine, and since then I'm like, I wouldn't do anything else. It's so easy and lasts so long and has made my hair so like wispy and doesn't even really grow in anymore. So it's a win for me. This is the wax that I use. It's lasted me a long time. This is the GG All-Purpose Honey. I got it on Amazon. I'll link it down below. This one, make sure you get the microwave one because I don't have a warmer. I'm almost out, but I'm gonna throw this in the microwave. Looks like that. And then I got these popsicle sticks. Again, this is like 100 large waxing strip sticks. I got a set of 100 for like very cheap on Amazon. I'll link that down below. And then I have the strips that I use. They have like small ones for your eyebrows and stuff that I don't really use it. I only do my armpits. But they look like this. They're like cotton, I think. So that's that. And then baby powder. So I got this tip off of someone else that did a video on YouTube, so thanks girl. I use this before I do the wax so that it kind of creates a barrier for your skin and the wax will only stick on your hair. And you're supposed to go with the hair and then pull against. You're supposed to get like a nice drip and then be able to twist it around and it doesn't come right back off. Blow on it a little bit if you want. Try to get a nice thin layer. Put the strip on. You're supposed to rub the way that the hair was going. Then pull your skin taut. Whew. Now I put a little bit of the oil. All right, the next part of glowing up. So I don't normally do this, but I have maybe 3 times. But I used to get eyelash extensions, and then I saw people doing their own kind of things at home. So I did pick up a few items. Now, don't do this at home. I'm not a professional. I'm just thinking of adding a few lashes to bump it up a little bit, you know? So I'm gonna use this glue, these tools, and this lash kit. These are like minks, I don't know. These are nice. While I'm doing that, because it does take some concentration, I cannot talk while I do it, I'm gonna throw in this white strip. And the glow up is complete. What do we think? Hair is done, makeup's done. I didn't really do much makeup, to be honest, but it's all about the lips, isn't it? I'm wearing this Love Shack fancy dress, quite cute, and ready to go. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Please subscribe if you haven't. Follow me on Instagram. I always link it down below, but I'll leave my name on the screen. And I'll see you in my next one.